Let's talk about the BBP coin. You may have seen it at the top of your web browser if you're logged into the website of the Pocket Coach. Let's first understand what is it and how do you utilize it. Now, the BBP coin is your reward system. When you make progress, you're rewarded with BBP coins, and you can use those coins to purchase certain things that we have to offer. Now, let's break down some of the details before we actually go into the specifics, if that makes sense at all. So, first thing we want to know is that 100 coins is worth $1. So if you have 1,000 BBP coins, that's $10. 2,000 BBP coins, that's $20, so on and so forth. Now, with these BBP coins, you can actually purchase products. You can purchase real things. You can purchase the chocolate frosty protein powder, the multivitamins, the pre-workout, things like that. So let's learn and understand how can we actually accomplish this. If you look to the very top, you'll see the BBP coin right there, and you'll see the number right next to it. Now, for the actions that you take within the Pocket Coach, like I mentioned, that will determine the amount of coins that you have and how you gain coins. Now, first thing we want to understand is when you complete courses inside of the Pocket Coach, whether that's a nutrition strategy course, when you're learning better ways of eating, whether that's the social eating strategies, the positional eating strategies, the fat loss blueprints, whenever you complete a course, you receive 25 BBP coins. Whenever you complete a lesson, you receive 10 BBP coins. Same thing for the training programs and the training courses. Whenever you make it through a full course, you receive 25 BBP coins. When you make it through a lesson, 10 BBP coins. Now let's go over to the news feed. Now this is the community aspect. When you're inside of the community, anytime you make a post, whether it's a video or an image, right, attachment, a GIF, whenever you ask questions, when you're engaging within the community, you're earning BBP coins. One post inside of the community is worth 5 BBP coins. A comment inside of the community is worth 3 BBP coins. Whenever someone follows you, right, I already follow Maisha, but if I was to go to her profile and if I was to follow her, that would earn her 1 BBP coin because she's gaining followers, right? You don't lose them when you do so, but you do help other people get them, right? So why do we put this reward system in place? We want you to be active. We want you to engage. What we've learned over the years is that the more engaged you are in the community, the more likely you are to see results. When you're rewarded for going through a nutrition course, when you're rewarded for completing a training program, you're more than likely to continue to evolve and go and push forward and train and work out and do what you need to do in order to get the results. The reason why we also encourage you and reward you for posting inside of the news feed is because it's much harder to not eat the right things. It's much harder to not work out when you're posting it and you have public accountability. When you're posting your meals, what you're eating, you're probably not going to make a bad decision and then post that, right? You don't want other people to see you eating the wrong things. When you're in the gym and you're working out, you have to be hitting the weights in order to post a selfie or to post a clip of your workout session, right? So the more that you post, the more that you earn in BBP coins. Now let's talk about what can you actually earn with the BBP coins. If I head over here and I see member pricing, I can come down here to redeemables. And we're going to continue to add on more redeemables. But right here, for example, the Vegan Bro Meals ebook. If I was to go to the actual website, Vegan Bro Meals, this ebook is 27 bucks. But I can actually unlock this ebook with 2,700 coins, right? 2,700 coins. So we incentivize you to be active. We incentivize you to post, right? To comment, to engage, to share, to help other people, to ask questions, to answer people's questions, right? And what you do is you find yourself gaining more coins rather quickly and being able to actually have rewards for that. Now, the thing that most people want to know, when you're a BBP Pocket Coach member, you automatically receive the member priced supplements, right? If I was to go to bbpsupps.com and scroll down, you can see that the chocolate frosty protein powder is $47.99. $47.95, right? 47 bucks 95 cents. But inside of the Pocket Coach, when you're a member, your price is $40.95 by being a Pocket Coach member. I don't have to pay the normal price that just regular visitors pay. And this is included, so you can buy as many as you want. Now, the cool thing is, if you have enough coins, right? If you have enough BBP coins, you can get this essentially for free. So what I want you to do is look at the price, and I want you to look at all four numbers. Whatever all four numbers says, that's how much you'll pay in BBP coins. So I have 91 coins. In order to purchase the nightcaps, I can either pay $19 or I can collect 1,900 coins. And I would literally just go to the checkout. I'll add this to carts. I'll proceed to checkout. And right here on the right hand side, I see that it says, and I can just delete the chocolate frosty so I can show you all. Quantity is 2. Now I can either pay 44 bucks for 2 BBP nightcaps, or I can pay 4,400 BBP coins. So you can see the checkout with the credit card, or you can select BBP coins and it'll let you actually pay in BBP coins. All right, so it shows you how many coins you need in order to purchase this item. And that's because I have 2 of them right here, right? Otherwise, I would need 2,200 coins to purchase this if I was just buying 1, but it says 2. So literally, you can purchase real products, real BBP supplements, utilizing the BBP coins. And it's completely free. And you earn those coins literally just based off of interacting. Now, don't come in here and try to just place an order if you don't have enough coins, because they're going to tell you have insufficient coins. All right. I'll actually put it through so y'all can see insufficient BBP coins. But you have the ability to earn more coins just by interacting and engaging in the community. You see right here, I have 9,100 coins, right? I'm going to come down here and I'm going to comment under my own post. Available in the BBP Facebook group. Select post. All right, so y'all see I have 91 coins. If I just refresh my page, you see it says 94 coins. That's how easy it is to earn coins. Now, don't come in and just posting regular random comments or whatever. It actually has to be valuable, because if you do that, you're not actually adding value or supporting people or whatever it may be, those coins will be deleted if need be. So we want you to actually add value, right? Like, for example, Brandon, he posted the nice item that he found earlier today or yesterday at Kroger, right? This is pancake syrup, right? When he made that post, he earned 5 coins literally just by making that post. I actually earned 6 coins just by leaving 2 comments under there. Same thing for Maisha. She posted her lunch and her dinner of what she had. She earned 5 coins by making this post, right? And then another 3 coins by commenting under my comment. So the more you post, the more you earn, the more value you deliver, the more money that you'll be able to gain and collect inside of the Pocket Coach. And again, we encourage you to post, because if you're posting, 9 times out of 10, you're making good decisions, because you actually have to make a good decision in order to have a post to post in the first place, right? You actually have to have a meal that you made, that you are aware of the calories and you're aware of what you're eating in order to post it. You actually have to be in the gym working out or, training in order to post a gym selfie or a gym training clip, right? So when you're posting, you're making good decisions. And the other thing is, you're motivating and inspiring the other Pocket Coach members who aren't as active, who aren't necessarily posting or are more shy, or they're not in a space where they feel comfortable. But our members that are actively posting, they're motivating those Pocket Coach members. They're motivating people to make the right decisions. They're seeing more healthy food choices inside of the news feed, right? They're seeing people do the right things. Like, for example, this is Derek. He's one of the prestigious members, which is the one-on-one clients. He is on vacation and he's even posting what he's eating, him in the morning, making good decisions. He earned 5 BBP coins just for doing that. This is Jeremy. He's another BBP prestigious member. He earned 3 coins just by posting under his comment. So what I'll have is some text below that shows you how much you earn and BBP coins based off of all the interactions and engagements and the things that you're doing. All right. Maisha, she posted her stir fry dinner and earned 5 coins. So we want to reward you for making good decisions. We want to reward you for doing the things that you should be doing anyways in the first place, right? Making good decisions, eating good food, knowing how many calories you're taking in, all those good things, right? So this is the system. This is our reward system. This is T right here. She's one of the Pocket Coach members as well. She earned 5 coins by posting her dinner. Go ahead and get in the community. Go ahead and start posting your food, post your workouts, ask questions as well. Your posts don't have to be just food, right? It don't have to be, it can literally just be questions, things that you want to know. It can be questions about the Pocket Coach if you're in a certain course and you have a question about it, right? Or you're trying to create your own meal plan with the meal planner over here. Or you're using a fat loss calculator, you have a question. Whatever it may be, go ahead and drop a post inside of the news feed. Ask your questions, comment, support people, help people out, because we want to grow the community. We want you all to be involved, and we want you to be rewarded for doing so. So I hope that helps. Give you all some more insight as far as what BBP coins are, how to utilize them, and the purpose. I'll see you in the next video.